Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to find and copy your Facebook profile link. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook app. Just like so. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top right here. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Right here, you have your profile link right here. What you need to do is to simply click on copy link right here. And with that, you have copied your profile link and you can share it with anybody that wants to connect with you on Facebook. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find and copy your Facebook profile link. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Facebook topics. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.